Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. We don't have much to add to the last video. Over the course of today, Ethereum has mainly moved sideways. I think there is still a decent chance that we get this higher B wave. I gave you in the previous video a target for it, or let's say at least the standard resistance area that you would expect for a B wave. In this case, between the 50% retracement and the 78.6 retracement of the A wave to the downside. And here we talk about the price range between 1973 and 2067. So far, we haven't reached it yet. We're basically just moving sideways. The market hasn't made up its mind yet. By the way, let me hide here this resistance area. We don't need it anymore. Yesterday, obviously, price rallied here in a possible B wave to 1963. Got rejected very strongly, but hasn't followed through to the downside. So it is possible within the scenario of a wave 2, because that's the scenario we are watching. Basically, the idea is that we rallied in a so-called wave 1 to the top of, to that top here, to that peak on the 16th of April. In the period between March 23 to, 16th of April. This was a wave 1, and we're coming down in this wave 2. Could the wave 2 be finished? Yes, but it would be an unusually shallow and short wave 2. So that's not primarily what I focus on. I primarily focus here on a corrective move down in an A, B, C structure. Yesterday's high could have marked the B. So it's possible that we came down in an A wave. Yesterday's high was the B wave, and we're now coming down in C. But it would need to break below yesterday's low at 1790 to confirm that. So far, it hasn't done that. That leaves us with the option that we get a higher B wave. That is not unlikely, actually pretty likely, I would say, because we have, in this move to the upside here yesterday in this B wave, we haven't reached the 50% retracement. I mean, nearly, okay, so it missed it by like $10. I mean, we reached 1963, the 50% retracement was at 1973. So it was a short B wave. Could very well be that we do an extended B wave. Yeah, that this is an A wave up, B wave down, and we're now moving up in the C wave. Alternatively, and that's really then talking about the micro level here, and looking at the structure, that is not unlikely. We are doing something like a so-called WXY pattern, where the Y wave is just another A, B, C, and then we could rally shortly. So we just need to keep an open mind. This looks a bit like a triangle at the moment. I mean, it's another option that the B wave unfolds as a triangle. And this is just the problem that we have in a corrective wave structure. Because we are probably here in this B wave. I mean, anybody who doesn't know about Elliott Wave doesn't really understand about the structures. You may find that hard to understand, but B waves are the most diverse waves that we have in market structures. And the knowledge that this is the case can save you a lot of money, because a lot of people lose money when trading B waves because they can be really, really difficult. I mean, just look at what happened yesterday. We moved up, yeah, broke down very, very quickly. Within an hour, I mean, Ethereum dropped from 1963 all the way down to 1790, and it recovered over $100 within a few hours, basically, okay? So B waves are extremely difficult, and we don't have a clear breakout setup, in my opinion. I think as long as yesterday's low is holding, we should get into this area where we have the next decision point. I will, of course, keep you updated. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.